Today I'm going to be showing you a brand new model just released from Mistral AI. It's called the Mistral 7B model. What they claim is for its size, it's the most powerful model out there. The claim is that this model actually competes way up there with the other Llama models that have way more billions of parameters. What I love about this company is they have an open approach to generative AI. Just like other ages of software where proprietary answers come first, right? What we're seeing now is this open approach to generative AI. Open source software is going to outpace the proprietary answers. So for example, in the web, we had WebKit. For cloud, we have Kubernetes. For OSs, we have Linux. And for languages, we have Python and a multitude of others. It's super exciting to see this open approach to generative AI. So here we have Mistral AI website bringing OpenAI models to the frontier. Why we're building Mistral AI. They got some really great documentation here on their vision and why they're doing this. Here is the model we'll be exploring, the Mistral 7B, the best 7B model to date. Apache 2.0 license means it's free, you can use it. Let's drop down here to the documentation so you can see that it outperforms Llama 2 13 billion. And remember, we're only at 7 billion here. It even outperforms Llama 1 34 billion. And it approaches Code Llama 7 billion. Here are some ways that you can download it. You can download it directly. You can drop over to Hugging Face. Over here, you can also download it here. Let's look at some performance in details. So here we have the Mistral model, Llama. And you can see it gets it in knowledge. Does pretty well in knowledge, reasoning, comprehension as well, as it's compared against these other pretty high quality models. And with respect to accuracy, you can see it lines right up and actually a lot better than Llama 2 here in the math. For the demo today, we're actually going to be here playing in Perplexity Labs, this great little chat window here, and you can actually do a drop down and choose many other kinds of models. So you could mix and match and play with them and play with answers and such. What we're going to do for our demo is actually click on Mistral 7B instruct. That'll be the model we play with. I've also got ChatGPT up here in the window so we can kind of compare some answers. Let's see how it performs on this question. It's a bit difficult for an AI. So your friend told you after you invited him for dinner that he had just ordered pizza. What will he eat? Will he use a knife and fork? Why won't he change his plans? Let's see what the model says. And there you go. Your friend will eat pizza. He will use a knife and fork to cut and eat the pizza. He won't change his plans because he already ordered pizza. It's on the way to your house. Let's see how ChatGPT-4 answers this. ChatGPT-4 gives you a little longer answer here. He will eat the pizza he just ordered. Will he use a knife and fork? Yada, yada. Why won't he change his plans? There could be several reasons. So a more in-depth answer here, bigger model. Let's now ask it a programming question. Write a Python-hello world program. Okay, and it provided it. Pretty simple. Import what you need. There's your dash app. There's your hello world, and there's how you run it. Now let's ask ChatGPT-4. And there you go, the same exact answer almost. Pretty equivalent. We're going to ask it to create a Python function that can read a CSV file. Okay, and it's going to use, here's the answer. It's going to use an import CSV, read CSV with open, great. CSV dict reader. Okay, there you go. Let's see what ChatGPT-4, and here's the answer that it gave us. It's actually just about the exact same. So dict reader, import CSV. Now let's test it on its writing. So please write a cover letter for entrance into an Ivy League school that will make me stand out amongst other candidates. And here's the answer. So dear admissions committee, I'm ready to express my strong interest throughout my academic career. This letter actually all makes sense. Pretty well written. Let's ask it to get a little more crazy. So I want to really stand out. So I'm going to ask it, please include that I've walked on the moon. And here's the answer that it gave it. And you can see it's pretty much the same exact, except here at the end, P.S. I have also walked on the moon. That's pretty funny. That's great. As you can see, Mistral 7B Instruct is a very powerful AI. If you find value in the video at all, really appreciate it if you could subscribe and like, and leave me a comment. I'm happy to respond.